Hello folks, happy Monday. Hope everybody has a great day and a great week. Just going to do a quick little garden tour here. Had never done it before, but brother Bill over on Last Days Homesteading, he had sent out a collaboration thing for a garden tour. And like I said, I ain't never done that before through the computer or anything, through the YouTube, but we're going to try it out here and see. Don't really know how it works, but anyway, we'll show you here what we're getting ready to harvest right now. We're getting ready to harvest some of our scapes. Well, we'll harvest almost all of them. We'll let some of them go to bloom and save some seed. We'll show you them down there in a minute. The little bulbs. Lord willing, that's what some of the stuff we'll plant this coming year in the fall. And overlook the weeds there, got to get them. We're getting ready probably in the morning. Me and Carolyn get out here and we'll pull them boards out from underneath or between the onions. Let's step into the greenhouse, take a look. They're giving a few days of dry weather. Got to get into it there and get to cutting hay. Hopefully we can get it up. Now let's step in here and we'll take a look in here. Oh, let's see. 80 degrees in here, well, about 84. Shug, you better water your flower this evening. You can see we're getting tomatoes coming on. Oh, no you can't. You can see here we're getting tomatoes are coming on. We got to finish getting plants planted over here on the side. Got to water these this evening. Then over here is our beans. They're starting to get some little beans in places. Seeing a couple spots. And then down here's our bush beans. See, they're starting to get some beans on there. Won't be long, folks. We had to replant through here some more. Don't know why. That one little section of dirt don't seem to want to. Yeah, we got to plant them onions there too. And then here's some of our tomatoes that we're going to be planting in here. And then you can hear me through the fan. Here's some of the tomatoes down through there. All right, let's step out here. Down in there is some of our garlic bulbs. I planted 9 more rows of corn right there this afternoon. Got to get up through here and hoe this out. We got 3 rows here in between the weeds. Step down here. Getting ready to plant some more beans outside. And then it's kind of hard to see what you all are seeing here. There's the corn that we transplanted. It's a looking good for the most part. We'll take you in here and show you Carolyn's flowers. plantain bed up here is doing good. Carolyn can get us some more salve made. Alrighty, and here's some of Carolyn's flowers. And then there's some of Daniel's peppers he's got in here. And I'll take you out here and show you the taters. I gotta run the tiller through them. As you can see, I need to way up there, about middle ways. He just hunkered down, groundhog out there. I'll have to go over. I hear a little goat. He's probably hung up. But no, them taters that got froze, they come out of it. Starting to be a few taters and spots come up in them 2 other rows we planted. But yeah, what I'll do, I've got the tiller out here. I'll run up through the grass in between them there. It'll look a lot better. I should have did that before I showed y'all. But like I said, we just show you the honest truth. Alrighty. Folks, I hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe. And Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. I don't know what Carolyn's going to prepare for us this week. I don't know if it's her turn. I know it won't be Dan, because he'll be getting off about supper time now. He's going back to work. But nope, I hope y'all have a great week. Stay safe. Lord willing, see you Wednesday.
Homeman's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeman's homestead. Mama goat's calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeman's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeman's home.